All right, let's open these. Topps Chrome. Packs. All right, let's do that. Heck yeah, that's sweet. Let's put that one right here. Save that for later. Auto. Very cool. Very, very cool. Other Pirates. Hey, rookie auto, very cool. Jason Dominguez, I think I already have that one, but that's all right. Add these all to my eBay store. Everything's for sale. What's this shiny one? Throwback. I like it. Twins. Nice. This box felt heavy, so we will see what that means. Pirates. Dodgers. Ooh. What is this? Ooh, another purple. I should have looked. Juan Soto. I should have looked. Is this purple? Is it numbered? Didn't see any numbering, but still very cool. All right. Logan Hop. All right. I don't know baseball very well, so hard to say what's good. Let's Cool, 2 purple autos. 1 rookie, 1 not. That's okay. Get my focus here. Giants auto. Oh, and there's one stuck behind. All-Star game. Aaron Judge. All etch. Jung Lee. Cool. All etch looks cool. Okay. Blast through these. Mariners, Yankees, Blue Jays, Royals, Astros. Notice these top ones stick together real good, so. Jackson Churio. That feels cool. All-Star game. And athletics. Boom. Jackson Holiday. I think that one's a good one. Again, don't know baseball very good. So we'll just put that in there. Okay. Next one. Obviously, this is my first one, so opening it is not very easy, or I don't have a setup for it necessarily yet. Maybe one day. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. Another rookie of Jared Jones. That's good. Like the rookies. Yuki Matsui. Mariners. All-Star. Holton Cowser. Jordan Westberg. Hoping for that debut patch. That'd be awesome, but expectations are low. Couple stuck together here. Twins, that's who I follow or pay attention to, kind of. More football, but Diamondbacks, Cubs, Dodgers, Brewers again, Jackson Churio, another Jackson Holiday base. Yeah, nothing too fancy. Eddie Rosario, former Twin. Dodgers, cool. Fractor. Matt Strom. Justin Steele. Cool. We got 3 packs left. That's a good one. Something good here. I should have one more auto, I think. Rangers, Brewers, Mariners, Pirates, Orioles, and Margot. There we go. What do we got here? Let's do it this way. Joey Gallo. Ooh, the cool negatives. These ones are cool. All right, who do we got? Do we have? We got Pirates and a rookie. Paul Skenes. Oh, sweet, dude. 27 to 150. That's awesome. That is excellent. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, and I will make sure to put everything up on my eBay account. So keep things moving. Sell the cards and we can afford more packs. That's awesome, dude. Oh, Hell yeah, dude. Back-to-back Mets. There we go. I'm just kind of blasting through because we got other known autos at least. That's awesome. I wish that would have been the last pack. That's a low number too, number 27. Excellent. All right, we got a purple. Let's do this one. Jason Dominguez. I've used him in MLB The Show. We got All-Star Game. What do we got here? The Rockies. I don't know anybody on the Rockies. Jordan Beck. That's a cool card too. Also numbered. Or is it? Poorly numbered. But if you look really closely, number 128 out of 399. It's very poorly numbered, but it's there. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. Just do a quick recap here of these. Oops, don't pull my background ones. And now I've jacked it all up. Excellent. So we got Jackson Holiday, rookie card, Future Stars. Probably not the best card, but still pretty cool looking. Yeah. It's Jordan Beck, Paul Skenes, dude. 27 to 150. That's excellent. What do we have here? Top certified, Logan Hop, 88 out of 250. They're barely imprinting that. It's probably to help with the X-ray problem. We got Justin Foscue, 143 out of 299. We got a refractor of Paul Skenes. Very cool. Very cool.